I'm Julie Waters, Corrective Exercise Specialist, and today I want to talk to you about how to get your stretches in when you're stuck at work. September is National Yoga Month, and so you might be seeing a lot of information about how to get started in a yoga program and the best mats to purchase and where to do your exercise and what to wear. But what is not being discussed enough is how to do that when you're stuck at work all the time and you don't really have the access to the fitness facility and you don't really have an hour of time. But I'm here to show you that you can get a lot done in a really short amount of time, regardless of whether you're at home, in the gym, at a desk, or even if you stand for work for long hours. Here are 3 exercises adapted from yoga that will help you keep your spine nice and flexible, even at work. Thanks so much for watching. I hope that these tips are helpful and that you're able to practice them often.